A little review on the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do a get ready with me, and I just recently picked up the new Maybelline Superstay Lumi Matte Foundation that everybody has been reviewing. I did purchase mine in 125, and I am in between light neutral to warm neutral, so hopefully the shade will work for me. I was debating on this one or the 120, but we will see. Today we're gonna go for a all matte look. I've been really inspired by Khloe Kardashian's makeup. I love how everything is just so matte and bright. All right, let's go ahead with the foundation. I am very excited. I think I'm just gonna do 2 pumps, about this much. I like to take my finger and just dot it on my face first. Seems very lightweight, which is nice. I know a lot of people were saying that it is full coverage, which I was kind of afraid that the foundation would be too heavy for me, but so far so good. First impressions, I think it is a light to medium coverage. I'm pretty sure you could definitely build this up, but I have already used all of my foundation already, so I might have to go in for one more pump on this side. And I do have some blemishes that need to be covered up. Okay, so eyebrows are on. I'm just using the NYX Professional Makeup Eyebrow Pencil. I use this all the time. I'm just gonna hydrate my lips with a lip oil. This is the e.l.f. Glow Reviver Lip Oil, and this one is in Rosy Envy. And I just feel like I need a little bit of hydration right now. For today's palette, we are using the Bare Necessities palette, and we are just going to be using all of the brown tones in here. Going into Hustler, and then this is really pretty cream shade here. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that and put that all over the lid as well. Going to take a fluffy brush, and I am going to go into Hot Gossip, which is this pretty warm brown shade right here, and I'm just gonna dab it in there and put this in my crease. I also want to say thank you for all the love that I have been getting on my channel. I know I don't get much comments, but I do see you guys liking my videos, and I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I'm just grateful to know that I am not posting for nothing, that I'm actually getting somewhere. Straight line brush, go in with that same shade that I showed you earlier and kind of create a crease, just following my natural crease here. Don't worry if it's not precise, because we are going to blend that up. With a fluffy brush. I'm gonna go into a darker brown, and it is called Taboo, and it's just a darker brown, and I'm just gonna do the same steps and line my eyes. Alright guys, 20 minutes later and the lashes are on. Honestly, if there's a lash class out there, I would definitely take that class, because I am needing a book that is called Lashes for Dummies, because I would definitely buy it on face, because I am needing a little bit of contour right now. I'm just using the e.l.f. bronzer and contour, and this one is in Fair Light. my cheekbones are not as snatched as hers because we try to get there, guys. One of these days. I'm just gonna do just working this into my face and trying to get snatched. And just working that into my forehead and temples. Of course, working the jawline. I really do like these e.l.f. contour. I think this is like my third time trying it. I know, I just have way too much makeup that I really need to use. And these are new to my collection as well. I got it at the end of last year when they first launched. And just pouncing it in. And as you can see, they blend out very nicely. Alright, so we are going to do bronzer. I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Bronzer. And I'm just going to get a angled brush and I'm going to pat that in and just kind of go over the bronzer. And it's pairing up very nicely. I'm going to use the Essence Keep Me Covered concealer. Love this concealer so much. And Chloe always has that bright under eye. Next, we are going to powder. I'm just using the Huda Beauty Traveler size. And honestly, I'm really happy that I decided to get this size because I would not be able to finish a whole one. And this one is in Cherry Blossom. And I'm just gonna pat that in. So I was really debating what I wanted to use for blush, and I really wanted to use something that will melt into my skin because whenever I see Chloe, it really does look like the blush is just beautifully on, no like type of powder or anything like that. So I am gonna go into the Danessa Myricks Blooming Romance palette, and I honestly really love the creams in here. Like, I'm so happy I purchased this because it's such a good palette. I'm gonna go into this brush here, and you know what, we are gonna go for the darker shades. I think it's a little bit of Dreamy and then a little bit of Adorn. And I just feel like she has like the most beautiful, like muted blush whenever she does her makeup, and it's not like so overpowering. It's just nicely blended in. Yeah, it's so beautiful, guys. I love this palette. And I did wear this palette for my anniversary date as well, and my blush just looks so beautiful. I cannot express enough how much I love how this looks on my skin. Go to the other side and really just work that in. Making sure I get an even amount. Okay, onto the lips. We are using the Maybelline Lift Liner in Big Lift. You guys already know I love this so much. I'm just going to outline my lips. And I just love how it looks on me. we are going to go with a lip stain. This is the Colorgram by a Korean brand. My sister did buy this for me when she went to Korea, and I am just going to kind of place this on the back of my hand. This is a lip stain, and I just want to take a little bit, not too much. And I feel like she has like that kind of lips where it's like she has a brown liner and then she has like a pink lip. And I feel like it's like kind of muted. So I'm gonna do that. Alright guys, so this is gonna be the end of the video. If you guys stayed, thank you very much. I am very happy how the look came out. I honestly love this lip combo. I feel like I'm gonna wear this combo quite often. I like the muted reddish brown look on me. I just think it complements me very well. And yeah, the inspiration did come to life, so I'm really happy with that. Of course, it's not gonna look exactly like Chloe's. It's just a inspiration, guys. But a little review on the Maybelline Superstay Foundation. I was a little bit hesitant on this because people did say it is full coverage. And usually, in my mind, when it's full coverage, it means it's a thicker consistency. And honestly, this one is very lightweight, which is nice, and it's very buildable. So I would say it's like a medium to heavy coverage. You could definitely build it up without it looking cakey, and I'm very happy I got that shade because I think it matches me very well. So if you guys stay this long, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.